Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need help regarding blog post formatting, uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Let's see. I am clicking in this link and it's moving me on sixth headline. Again, I am showing I am just clicking on this link and it's not going any other page. It's moving in this page another section. So today I will guide you how you can make a link to different section on the same page in WordPress, blog and classic editor. Firstly, I will show how you can do this on Gutenberg blog editor. After that, I will show for the classic editor. Okay, start. Okay, I am on my website dashboard. After that, I moved into all post page and I am going to open a test post firstly in Gutenberg blog editor. So here I want to add a link. For example, click here and take me to conclusion. Perfect. So if someone will click here, it will move to the conclusion section, seventh section, conclusion section. How I can do it? Let me show you. Firstly, which word or which phrase you want to make hyperlink, select that word and above that section you will get a link option. So click there or even you can click on keyboard Control plus K. Click and after you give a hash and give a name of this anchor. For example, you can give 1, 2, 3, no problem. But if you use multiple word, for example, first link. For this, you can't use like first space link. You have to give a underscore like this. It will work. So I am making this word name first link and I am going to copy this, and why I am copying it you will understand little bit later. So just copying this name and clicking on submit button, then this phrase will be the link. So click and it's right now link, but I have to indicate the place when someone will click here where he will go. So as I am trying to take me to the conclusion, so come to the conclusion section, this headline, select this headline. After that, in the right side, you will get blog section. Maybe you will be in post option, but right side there is a blog. Click there and bottom of this section you will find advanced option. So click advanced and below advanced when you will open it you will get HTML anchor box. So on this box use that anchor name what I made few moment ago. So that name was first underscore link, but there was hash, but here you don't need to use any hash, just accept hash, rest of the thing you will include here. Just save draft, view preview. If I click here now, my expectation is it will auto scrolling to conclusion section. So let's see is it working or not. I just click here and smoothly it moved on conclusion section. Again I am showing, just clicked here, it's moving on conclusion section. For example, I want to move to the any paragraph section. If I will click here, it will move to uh, conclusion paragraph. After conclusion, right now it's going to stop the at the conclusion, but I want like it will stop in the paragraph section like this. Is it also possible? Yes, that's also possible. Just come to website backend, and previously I gave anchor name for this headline, but I want to cancel this anchor name for this headline. I want to give anchor name for this paragraph. I'm selecting this paragraph and right side blog section and giving the HTML anchor name here. Okay, I'm going to change the text. Click here and take me to conclusion paragraph, and I am making it hyperlink hash first link, enter, save draft. Just for your better understand, I made this change. Now come to the post preview, giving a refresh. Here what I wrote, click here and take me to conclusion paragraph. So I am clicking here and it's moving me to the conclusion paragraph. That's all, it's working perfectly. So as many in inner section interlinking you need, you can use separate name and separate direction. I am going to make another link. For example, here I want to go back to the introduction section. So take me to the introduction. So making this hyperlink hash take underscore intro. Okay, I am going to copy this name as I will use it on that section and giving enter. Perfect. And I am clicking on introduction and same the right side blog section and click on advanced. Under HTML anchor I will give that name, take intro. So then this button or this hyperlink will understand when I will click here, he will search that name where in this page, it's below or above, anywhere he will go that section. Okay, save draft, view preview. Perfect. So take me to the introduction. I am clicking here and it's moving to introduction. You see, again I am clicking here, it's moving to introduction. If I click here, it's taking me to the conclusion paragraph section. So that's the way for Gutenberg blog editor. You can use this technique, this method for any blog post or any page. That's not a problem. Perfect. So I am going to remove this hyperlink for right now, and I will show you how you can do it for the classic editor. So I am going to clear everything from here. So freshly I will do it on classic editor. Same thing I will show you in classic editor. Opening this post in classic editor. Perfect. So click here and take me to the conclusion paragraph. So same, just select this text or phrase or word and click on hyperlink or control plus K and give hash and writing here conclusion underscore paragraph, and I am going to copy these things and giving enter. This part is same as like Gutenberg blog editor. Now come to the below part. Like I want to move here conclusion paragraph section. So if I click here in the right side, there is no such kind of option to add HTML anchor. You see right side, there is no blog or HTML anchor option in classic editor. So what I can do, I have to add a ID name for this section. I mean, where I want to move on that section, I have to give a ID name as that anchor name. Like this anchor name is conclusion underscore paragraph. So here I have to add a ID name conclusion underscore paragraph. Now question is how you can add this? Just select this paragraph or headline, whatever you want to move, and click on the text. You see this top, there has a text option you will get on your classic editor. So click on that text and you see this is the section I want to move here when someone click on that link. So before this p tag, or if this is headline before h tag, just give a id name space id equal double quotation, inside double quotation add that name conclusion underscore paragraph. I am making it zoom. So these things I added. P id, if it could be p or heading h2 h3 anything, just where you want to move before starting on that tag, just add a id name as like that anchor name. Okay, so save draft and preview the post. I'm making it 100%. Okay, so now if I click here, you see it's moving to that section. Same, just I have to give a id name, nothing else. Everything is similar. Here I want to make a anchor, and which section I want to go, that section give a id name. That's all. For example, if I want to move on fourth section, how I can do it? Same, take me to fourth section. As an example, I am giving this anchor name is fourth. So I am going to copy this anchor link, submit, and I am coming to the fourth section. This is the headline heading 2. So selected here, and this text is classic editor embed Twitter post 5th. So this is the tag. You see, classic editor, perfect. So here I need to add a id name. So after h2, I'm giving a space and writing id equal double quotation, giving the name fourth, and save draft. View preview. Take me fourth section. If I click, it's taking me on the section 4. Very simple. Just have to add a id name, nothing else. You see, whatever inside this code, don't worry about it. Just after starting tag, give a space, write id equal double quotation, inside that double quotation add that anchor name which you gave previously on that anchor. That's all, very simple. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.